Welcome back. Hope you're all fine and healthy. So, it's been nearly 9 months since the coronavirus has entered into human world. To prepare a vaccine, it nearly takes years together, and it's far more difficult to find a vaccine within estimated 12 to 18 months. But many companies and academic institutions really working hard on COVID-19 vaccines to make it quite possible as quick as. It's really wondering, no? Actually, how? So to know whether we'll get vaccine or not, now Cosmofate's going to explain the developing process of vaccine.
This developing process involves of 5 stages. Stage 1, basic understanding of vaccine. Guys, in this stage, first the scientists have to know the proteins and sugars which are on virus surface. Then they have to study whether these proteins can respond to immunity.
Stage 2, preclinical testing. This is initial safety testing usually carried out in animals to give an idea of responses in humans. These are also used to show how effective is the vaccine and at what cost it is preventing the diseases. And this also allows the researchers to adapt the vaccine. During an outbreak, different research groups often work together to speed up this process.
Thirdly, clinical trials, and this is the step where many vaccines tend to fail. At first, they will test the vaccine on few healthy people and observe whether the vaccine is safe or have any disadvantages. And then, if first trial is successful, then they test the vaccine on few group of people who are at risk of disease. And then, testing vaccine of several thousand people for safety. But guys, during the time of pandemic like COVID, the vaccine trials will be conducted only in severely affected population.
Stage 4, regulatory review and approval. Food and Drug Administrations are responsible for regulating the vaccines. The sponsor of vaccine product must follow the approval process. After once approving is done, FDA monitors the safety of vaccine production by including periodic inspections. And it must continue as long as the manufacturer holds a license for the vaccine product.
Fifth stage is production. So in this stage, the manufacturing capacity like infrastructure such as communication network, transportation and employees will be needed to produce large vaccine quantities. After this, they get licensed and then they prioritize who should get the vaccine at first, like the more highly affected, medium and then the low.
Now the question is, will we get vaccine? Based on these stages, our corona vaccine is now going through clinical trials and yet to go through 2 more stages to come into public. So let's hope for the best.
Guys, to develop safe and effective vaccine, it usually takes 5 to 10 years on average. Despite all this, scientists acknowledged of making COVID vaccine as fast as possible. To be responsible citizens, we need to follow the rules at any cost because they are keeping their lives at risk just for us. Remember, unity is strength, so stay safe, stay healthy.